Hey, what's cracking? New gear for the vlog setup. Me and Otis were really excited. Otis. Now the gimbal wasn't cheap, but this was, and it's gonna allow me to take better shots outdoors. It's an ND filter. And it's got me nervous because it says professional on it. But regardless, we're gonna get outside and give it a try. This is one of the reasons I absolutely love this Canon M50. It is a tremendous value. It comes in a super small form factor, which is obviously great for vlogging, and it's less weight. And as mentioned, it's inexpensive. Think about it, all those fancy 4K cameras, and oftentimes the vloggers don't end up shooting 4K because it's a pain in the butt. So today we're gonna take a look at this. This is the ND filter, and if you're a vlogger, if you're shooting outdoors, these are tremendous because what it'll do is it cuts down the amount of light that passes through the lens and allows you to get a better, sharper, more vibrant picture. Now, these are pretty inexpensive. This was around 20 bucks, and this one is kind of neat because it actually is variable. In other words, you can adjust just how much light passes through. Okay, so I've adjusted the neutral density or ND filter, and as you can see, I'm actually configuring just how much light is coming into the camera with the ring itself. Have you seen my sunglasses anywhere? So pretty kind of cool, right? Like that's probably a little too dark, but man, like maybe a little bit more like that. Is that it? Is that how to be a vlogger? Am I doing it right? Let me know. If you think I'm doing it right, leave a comment below. Go ahead, trolls, haters, come at me, bro. Man, this looks really good. I'm excited. So let's see. There we go. Man, that looks so much better. So this is exactly what I was talking about. You know, you go out and you spend all the money on a fancy camera, and then you don't have any money left for lighting or a better microphone. Even a $20 neutral density filter, an ND filter. Don't do that. Instead, really think about all the things you're gonna wanna buy, and you wanna spread that money out. So back there, Colorado Springs. Where the sun is setting over there tonight, that's Pikes Peak. No, actually that's my house. Where's Pikes Peak? There we go. So let's try this. Hey, look at that. A little too much, a little blown out, but we're looking right into the sun. So that's still pretty darn good, and I bet if I go here, yeah, awesome. So neutral density filter. You know, it's funny, the last video I did, the last vlog style video I did, I got some comments like, hey, you need a neutral density and ND filter, and I knew that, but I didn't want it to stop me from moving forward and practicing. That's what I think is so important. You just got to get started, and I was ready to tell a story, to get going, and now I'm all set up. Fantastic. So if you're in this whole vlogging, YouTube, making video kind of thing, think about subscribing. That's what this channel is all about. It's kind of like this big science experiment trying to figure out if it's still possible to grow a channel in 2018 here on YouTube. Peace.